Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Yamaha NP15B, a digital piano that's really designed with portability and beginners in mind. This is the black version, and the first thing you notice is just how incredibly lightweight and easy to move it is. Yamaha has truly made this an ultra-portable instrument, meaning you can take your music practice or performance just about anywhere. Whether you want to play in a different room, take it to a friend's house, or even set up outside, the NP15B is ready to go. It can run on 6AA batteries, providing up to 5 hours of continuous play, which is fantastic for those times you don't have access to a power outlet. And don't worry, it does come with a power adapter for when you're near a plug. For anyone starting out on the piano, the feel of the keys is super important, and the NP15B addresses this with 61 piano-style, touch-sensitive keys. This touch sensitivity is a key feature because it allows players to add dynamics to their playing, hitting the keys harder for louder notes and softer for quieter ones. This isn't just about making the music sound more expressive. It's also vital for developing proper finger strength and muscle memory that's essential for learning piano. It provides a much more authentic playing experience compared to a standard keyboard without this feature. The sound quality is another area where the NP15B shines, especially for its size and price point. Yamaha utilizes their advanced wave memory stereo sampling technology to deliver authentic instrument sounds. This means the piano voices sound lifelike and immersive, which can be really inspiring and encouraging for a beginner. Adding to its capabilities is the compatibility with the Yamaha Smart Pianist app. This app is a great tool that allows you to control many of the instrument's functions directly from your smart device. It makes navigating settings easier and also provides access to additional features that go beyond what the piano can do on its own, really enhancing the learning and playing experience. Overall, the Yamaha NP15B is presented as an excellent entry point into the world of piano playing. Its combination of touch-sensitive keys that feel good to play, authentic sound quality, extreme portability with battery power, and smart app integration makes it a very compelling package for beginners. It's designed to be easy to use and take anywhere, making practice and playing more accessible and enjoyable. If you're looking for a first digital piano that offers a good feel and can truly go wherever you do, the NP15B is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.